Guys, I hope everybody's fine. So we have Euro USD trade. It's a very valid trade. We can see the market came and broke above this trend line and has also broken above this trend line. Now, after breaking above this trend line, it always comes to retest to reprice to the psychological level. Even here, it happened, broke this, went above, came back to retest this level, and then pushed up. It was not, I did not take this trade because I wasn't awake. So we pushed the market and then waited for the market to come and get a reprice to this order block. And now the market is sailing up very well in a clean manner. GBP USD also is also doing very well. So what happened? We said we broke below this trend line. It broke above, no retracing to the psychological level, then broke this trend line also, and then now retested back to this psychological level, and that same trend line. So we took our trade from this level. So the market has given us this very, very good engulf. So if you do not trade this, or you do not enter this point, or did not enter this point, you can now enter at this point because the market has given us an engulf. Another confirmation on 1 hour time frame, which signifies that we are actually going to be going into the buys. Gold traveled well. We had analyzed on Friday. So we took this trade on Friday. If you've been following, we took this trade on Friday, and now it has given us already a full take profit on Tuesday. That is 1:6 risk to reward ratio and on gold. So again, now this is another very serious decision area. The market breaks above, then we want to have a retest on this trend line or on this trend line or on this psychological level, and then we trade above. Or this could be rejecting this trend and again for the fourth time. This is the third time. So if it rejects it the fourth time and comes and breaks below, then that means we are going to be selling gold right away from there. Very simple. So let's go and let's make this money. If you've not entered the trades, you have a chance to enter on GBPs. The only problem is your risk is going to be a little bit higher. So let's go and let's see how we can make this money. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, cashpips, and you have also not followed TikTok, it means you're not serious. So what you have to do is just follow, go to YouTube and subscribe to YouTube channel, because I'm going to put up a full course about this strategy so that we can be able to use it to monetize in the market. Cashpips, and I sign out. Thank you so much. Bye.